A garden that fills itself with color year after year without starting over from scratch, that is not a dream. That is exactly what full-sun perennials do. Plant them once, and they reward the gardener with bigger, bolder, more beautiful blooms with every passing season. No replanting, no guessing, just reliable color from spring straight through to frost. Welcome to Seniors Gardening Advice, the channel dedicated to helping gardeners grow smarter, not harder. Sam here, and in this video, the focus is on 17 spectacular full-sun perennials that thrive in the hottest, brightest spots in any garden. Before getting into the list, if this kind of practical, no-fuss gardening knowledge is useful, please hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell so not a single tip gets missed. A like on this video also helps more gardeners find this content, and sharing it with a fellow garden lover is one of the kindest things that can be done today. Now, let us get into the soil. A full-sun plant is any flower or shrub that needs a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight each day to grow and bloom at its best. Many gardeners worry that a sun-drenched yard with little shade limits their planting options. In truth, the opposite is correct. Full-sun perennials make up the largest and most colorful category of garden plants available. They tend to be heat-tolerant, drought-resistant, and deeply attractive to pollinators like butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds. Best of all, unlike annuals that must be replanted every season, perennials return every year, and they actually grow fuller and more vigorous as the years go on. Here are 17 outstanding choices for sunny gardens. Full-sun perennial number 1, Black-Eyed Susan, Rudbeckia hirta. Starting with a true garden classic, the Black-Eyed Susan is one of the most cheerful, dependable perennials available for full-sun spots. Its bold, golden yellow petals surrounding a dark chocolate center make it instantly recognizable. Native to North America, this wildflower asks for very little and gives back enormously. It self-seeds freely, meaning it will naturally spread and fill empty spaces in the garden over time. Black-eyed Susans are highly drought-tolerant once established, adapt well to both moist and dry soils, and bloom from midsummer right through early fall. They are also a magnet for butterflies and beneficial insects. Zones 3 to 9, full sun, well-draining soil. Full-sun perennial number 2, Lavandula phenomenal, lavender. Few plants bring as much sensory pleasure to a garden as lavender. The Lavandula phenomenal variety stands out for its stunning silvery foliage, fragrant purple flower spikes, and remarkable adaptability. Once well established in the ground, it requires very little water and handles both heat and drought with ease. This makes it an outstanding choice for sunny borders, hedges, or anywhere the garden needs a reliable splash of color paired with a sweet, calming fragrance. Bees absolutely love lavender, making it a wonderful pollinator plant as well. It also has a long history of use in natural wellness. The scent alone has been studied for its calming properties. Zones 5 to 8. Size 2 feet high by 2 feet wide. Full sun, moist, well-draining soil. Full-sun perennial number 3, Echinacea magnus coneflower. The Echinacea magnus coneflower is one of the most celebrated perennials in the gardening world, and for very good reason. Its large, bright pink blooms can reach 4 to 6 inches across, and it has an exceptionally long flowering season, stretching from late spring all the way through fall. It is strongly drought-tolerant, making it perfectly suited to sunny, dry garden spots. Birds and butterflies flock to coneflowers throughout the growing season, and in winter, the seed heads remain standing to provide food for finches and sparrows. An important bonus, coneflower is edible and has been used in traditional herbal medicine for centuries to support immune health. Zones 3 to 8. Size 3.5 feet high by 3 feet wide. Full sun, moist, well-draining soil. Full-sun perennial number 4, Daylily, hemerocallis. The daylily is an exceptional full-sun perennial that earns its place in every sunny garden. Each individual bloom opens in the morning and closes by evening, but the plant produces so many buds that the display continues for weeks. Daylilies come in a spectacular range of colors, including red, orange, yellow, pink, purple, and cream, and their blossoms can grow anywhere from 3 to 15 inches across. They are remarkably low maintenance, tolerating poor soils, heat, and drought once established. Clumps can be divided every few years to multiply the plants for free. Zones 3 to 9. Full sun to light shade, well-draining soil. Full sun perennial number 5. Penstemon, blackbeard, beard tongue. With its striking combination of light purple blooms and deep purple foliage, the Penstemon blackbeard is a dramatic and eye-catching perennial. It has strong, compact stems and grows in an upright habit, making it suitable for both container planting and placement in garden beds or borders. Its rich nectar content draws in an impressive variety of pollinators, including hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies, contributing significantly to the ecological balance of any garden. It handles heat and humidity well and is notably drought-resistant. This is an easy care choice for gardeners of every experience level. Zones 3 to 8. Size, nearly 3 feet tall by 2 feet wide. Full sun, moist, well-draining soil. Full sun perennial number 6. Blanket flower, Gardenia. The blanket flower is a true sun worshiper. Its cheerful, daisy-like blooms in bold shades of red, yellow, and orange bring warmth and energy to any planting. This perennial is actually a hybrid between two types of Gardenia, a perennial species and an annual species, which gives it remarkable adaptability to hot, dry, full sun conditions. It thrives in borders, butterfly gardens, wildflower meadows, and containers with equal success. Pollinators are particularly fond of this plant. Hummingbirds, butterflies, native bees, ladybugs, and lacewings all visit regularly. Zones 3 to 10. Size, 1 to 3 feet tall by 2 feet wide. Full sun, moist, well-draining, loamy soil. Full sun perennial number 7. Blazing star, Liatris. For dramatic vertical interest in a sunny garden, few plants rival the blazing star. Its tall, showy flower spikes are packed with vibrant purple blooms and rise anywhere from 1 to 5 feet into the air, adding a bold architectural quality to garden borders. Blazing star blooms from midsummer through fall and is both heat and drought tolerant. It is a particularly excellent choice for the back of a sunny border where height and structure are needed. Throughout the warmer months, it attracts butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds, and once the blooms fade, the seed heads continue to provide a vital food source for birds through winter. Zones 3 to 9. Full sun, moist, well-draining, loamy soil. If this content is helpful, a quick like and share helps this channel reach more gardening enthusiasts just like this community. Full sun perennial number 8. Native asters. Asters bring fresh, daisy-like color to the garden at precisely the moment when most other perennials are winding down for the year. Blooming in shades of purple, pink, blue, and white from late summer through fall, asters extend the garden season beautifully. They are available in a wide range of forms, from low ground cover varieties to climbing vines that can reach 12 feet, giving plenty of flexibility for different garden designs. Asters become drought-tolerant once established and are known for their resilience. They're also well-loved by late-season pollinators, especially monarch butterflies preparing for migration. Zones 4 to 8. Full sun, moist, well-draining, loamy soil. Full sun perennial number 9, Russian sage, or Perovskia atriplycifolia. Russian sage is one of the hardest-working plants available for full sun gardens. Its tall, airy stems are covered in small purplish-blue flowers from midsummer to early fall, and the aromatic gray-green foliage remains attractive even when the plant is not in bloom. Russian sage is deer-resistant, tolerates heat, wind, drought and poor soil with minimal complaint, and is deeply attractive to pollinators. It grows 3 to 5 feet tall and has a relaxed, open habit that pairs beautifully with more structured garden companions. For smaller spaces, compact dwarf forms are available that stay around 2.5 feet. Zones 4 to 9. Full sun, well-draining soil. Full sun perennial number 10. Buddleia, butterfly bush. The butterfly candy variety of Buddleia is a compact, free-flowering shrub that thrives in full sun exposure. Available in 5 beautiful shades, purple, pink, lavender, white, and yellow, it blooms continuously throughout the season and is both drought-tolerant and easy to maintain. As the name strongly suggests, this plant is a butterfly magnet. The dense flower clusters provide rich nectar for dozens of butterfly species as well as bees. Buddleia can reach its full size within a single year and responds well to annual pruning to keep its shape tidy and encourage the stronger, more abundant blooms. Zones 5 to 10. Size 2 to 3 feet tall by 2 to 3 feet wide. Full sun, well-draining soil. Full sun perennial number 11, real charmer, leucothanthemum, or Shasta daisy. This lovely Shasta daisy variety produces pale yellow blooms that are both pest-resistant and disease-resistant, making it one of the most carefree options on this entire list. Shasta daisies have a long blooming period and pair beautifully with plants that have dark, rich foliage, where the pale yellow flowers create a stunning visual contrast. To keep them performing at their absolute best, dividing the clumps every 3 years is recommended. This invigorates the root system and encourages stronger, more abundant blooms. The flowers are also excellent for cutting and bringing indoors. Zones 5 to 9. Size 22 inches high by 18 inches wide. Full sun, well-draining soil. Subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice for fresh gardening content every week. Full sun perennial number 12, Jubilation Gardenia. The Jubilation Gardenia is an evergreen shrub that delivers everything a sunny garden could ask for. Large, fragrant white double blooms, deep glossy green foliage, and a compact, tidy growth habit that suits both containers and garden beds equally well. Once established, it requires minimal care and is notably disease-resistant. The blooms begin in spring and continue reliably through fall, filling nearby pathways, porches, and seating areas with a rich, intoxicating fragrance. Placing this gardenia near an outdoor living area is highly recommended for the sensory experience alone. Zones 7 to 10. Size 3 to 4 feet high by 3 to 4 feet wide. Full sun, well-draining soil. Full sun perennial number 13, Lilies, Lilium. Show-stopping lilies are surprisingly simple to grow and care for, making them a perfect perennial for any level of gardener. They require a sunny site and well-draining soil, but need very little attention beyond that. For those who prefer a fragrance-free garden, Asiatic lilies are the best choice. They offer spectacular color without scent. For those who want their garden filled with perfume, Oriental lilies produce a powerful, beautiful fragrance and are outstanding cut flowers as well. Lilies also come in colors that span nearly the entire spectrum, from pure white to deep burgundy, and their tall flower stems add wonderful vertical dimension to garden beds. Zones 3 to 8. Size 1 to 4 feet tall. Full sun, well-draining soil. Full sun perennial number 14, Crocosmia, or Montbrettia. Crocosmia is a sleek, upright perennial that blooms in hot shades of red, orange, and yellow from midsummer through mid-fall, delivering a brilliant burst of warm color when many gardens begin to look tired. Hummingbirds and butterflies are strongly attracted to these tubular blooms, while deer and rabbits tend to leave them alone entirely, a very useful quality.
Crocosmia naturalizes easily, meaning it spreads on its own over time to fill more space without any effort from the gardener. The cut flowers are exceptional and last well in a vase. They also combine beautifully with annuals in containers for a striking midsummer color display. Zones 5 to 9. Size 2 to 4 feet high by 1 foot wide. Full sun, moist, organically rich, well-draining soil.
Full sun perennial number 15, Agastache pink pearl. Native to the sunny plains and even the deserts of the American West and Southwest, Agastache is built for full sun and dry conditions. The pink pearl variety produces beautiful upright spikes of soft pink blooms that are practically irresistible to pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds visit constantly throughout the blooming season. Agastache grows well in border gardens or containers and is deer-resistant. The foliage also carries a pleasant anise-like fragrance when brushed or crushed. Moderately rich but well-draining soil is the key to long-term success with this plant, particularly through the winter months. Zone 6 to 10. Size 8 to 16 inches high by 16 inches wide. Full sun, well-draining soil. Full sun perennial number 16. Coreopsis honeybunch red and gold. Honeybunch red and gold forms a neat, rounded mound of cheerful red and yellow flowers that blooms all summer long without pause. Its relatives are native to the sunny American plains and pine savannas, giving this perennial a natural toughness and resilience to heat and drought. It is not a fussy plant. Full sun and well-drained soil are essentially all it needs to thrive and maintain a long, productive life in the garden. The compact size also makes it an excellent front-of-border plant or container specimen. Zones 5 to 10. Size 10 to 12 inches high by 15 inches wide. Full sun, well-draining soil. Full sun perennial number 17, Geum tempo coral. Closing the list with a real showstopper, the Geum tempo coral. Tall, elegant stems carry rich coral pink blooms above the foliage, making this plant a dramatic focal point in any sunny garden space. It is winter hardy across most of North America and needs only a small amount of light summer watering and occasional feeding to perform beautifully. The blooms appear in late spring and early summer, providing color at a time when the garden is transitioning into its full summer display. For maximum visual impact, planting Geum in groups of 3 or 5 produces a bold, eye-catching effect. Zones 5 to 9, size 7 to 12 inches tall by 10 inches wide, full sun, moist, loamy soil. A few key tips for planting full sun perennials successfully. Before wrapping up, a few practical points worth knowing. First, even drought-tolerant perennials need regular watering in their first season while the root system establishes itself. Deep, infrequent watering is always better than shallow daily watering. It encourages roots to grow deeper into the soil where moisture is more consistent. Second, adding a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around perennials helps hold moisture in the soil, keeps roots cooler during peak summer heat, and reduces the need for frequent watering. Third, dividing established perennial clumps every 3 to 5 years keeps them vigorous, prevents overcrowding, and provides free new plants for other parts of the garden or to share with friends and neighbors. Perennial sun requirements can also vary slightly by region. A plant that thrives in 8 hours of sun in a cooler northern climate may benefit from some afternoon shade protection in the intense heat of the deep south or southwest. Consulting with a local nursery or experienced gardener in the area is always worthwhile for region-specific advice. That covers all 17 full-sun perennials that come back bigger, bolder, and more beautiful every single year. From the fragrant elegance of Lavender phenomenal to the fiery drama of Crocosmia, and from the classic charm of Shasta daisies to the striking height of blazing star, there is something here for every sunny garden, every gardener, and every style. Plant once, enjoy for years to come. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. It genuinely supports this channel and helps more gardening lovers in the Seniors Gardening Advice community discover content like this. Drop a comment below with which perennial is most exciting to try, or share any personal favorites not on this list. Every comment is read and appreciated. Share this video with a fellow gardener who could use some sunny inspiration, and subscribe if not already part of this growing community. Sam from Seniors Gardening Advice. Happy gardening to all.